1,000 people, including Elon Musk, have called for a pause on AI, and I think I can finally see it. We never thought AI would penetrate into the music industry, but listen to this track by Drake and The Weeknd.
I came in with my ex like Selena, the flex. I'm talking to a diva, yeah, she on my neck.
That sounds really nice, right? But it is 100% AI generated. It was generated by these strange, mysterious looking users, and the song already has 10 million views. What I'm really worried about is that being born with talent doesn't matter again, because if you are born with talent, we can easily just steal it. And again, it also means that your talent can live on forever. At the end of the day, the song has been removed from TikTok and Apple Music, even though it's still on YouTube. So I want to know what you guys think about this AI music generation tool in the comment section down below. Is it going to replace singers completely or not? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and I'll catch you in the next video.